Stages allow you to generate a report from notes or issues. To generate a report, go to the Organizations menu and select Projects there. Go to the project you are interested in, and from the menu at the end of the line, select Generate Report. In the window that appears, select the criteria by which you want the report to be generated. Press the Generate button to create the report. The finished report will automatically open in a separate browser tab and download automatically to your computer's hard drive. Note that you can also use issue filters to create the report. The report generates to a PDF file and can be part of project documentation.